Hey, what's up you guys? It's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me for today's video. If you're new here, I am a part-time reseller on sites like eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. I love to source goods to flip online for a profit, and I love to share my reseller life here with you on this channel. So today's video is a 90-day update on a box that I opened a few months ago from Jomar, and it was all shorts. Now, if you have been watching my channel, you may know this. I love sourcing in the off season. I think people buy things all year round, and I can get really good deals on items that are not in season. So if you're interested in reseller content, certainly subscribe to my channel. I do post videos several times a week. I share my reseller life here with you on this channel. Drop me a like if you find this helpful at all. It really helps my channel. So this box was all shorts, and it came from Jomar Wholesale, which is a secondhand sort of, they have some like liquidation new with tags, other things are thrifted, but this one was all new with tag shorts. And I purchased this box in November. I had all this stuff listed November, December of 2021. So for the box, $81 and some change with the shipping. I probably had a coupon or something. I only shop that site usually when I have a coupon. So $81 for 30 pair of shorts that were all new with tag, new without tag, which there were indeed 30 pieces in the box, and I'll link the original video up here if you want to watch the original unboxing. But it ended up coming out to $2.71 per piece, which is not bad, you know, considering that everything's new with tag. I did list everything in the beginning of November 2021, so again, off season for shorts. However, they did put in the description that it was athletic shorts, so I figured I had a good chance just because, you know, people need athletic wear all year round. So what I'm going to do is I will show you guys what sold. I'll post it over here. The items that sold out of this box. I'll talk about what platform it sold on, how long it took to sell, and then I will show you guys some of the stuff that I still have available. And at the end, I will tell you, give you my final assessment. Was this a good box? Was it worth picking up? And given the chance to get it, all things being equal, would I pick up another one? So what I'm going to do is show you guys what sold. I'll talk about what platform it sold on, how long it took to sell, and how much I made on it or how much it sold for. Remember, this is all about 90 days. It's been listed for about 90 days. But it was all listed in the beginning of November, and it's now February, March. So it was all sold in the off season. So all total, I have 10 pieces that are sold and 20 pieces that I still have. What I'll do is I'll show you here on the side what is sold from lowest profit to highest profit, and then I'll show you guys what is still remaining, and then I'll give my overall assessment. What do I think of this box? If all things were equal, would I pick up another one? So we'll start with the sold items. This was the pair of Chi Omega shorts. And so this was listed on November 8th and sold on January the 3rd. This one, I had started to reduce the prices because I wanted to move this stuff. So I think it was, I had it listed for $12 on Poshmark, and I think I sent an offer to Likers. So anyway, my sale price is $9.46. You know, I take into account that discounted shipping, profit being $4.86. Then there were these New You, the Stanford shorts, $10 on Mercari is what those sold for. They sold in December, so they were listed about a month. Then these 90-degree gray athletic shorts, those sold right before Christmas, $12.21 on Poshmark for $10. My profit was $5.29 on both of those, approximately. Then the pair of Tulane shorts, those sold on Mercari for $12, and those sold in about 3 weeks. The high-waisted, they were like a gray paper bag waist yoga shorts. The brand was Apana. I think that's how you say it. Those sold, actually, one of the first ones to sell, those sold on Mercari for $12. They were sort of a no-name brand, so I was happy to take $12 for those. And then these navy blue swim trunks from Nike. These were the only really, like, well, there was some Free People too, but Nike Free People, there were not very many like brand name items. This was one of them. These were new without tags. They sold in January on Poshmark for $16. So $10 profit on those, I'll take it. Then another pair of New You shorts. These are Stanford shorts as well. These were a size large. These sold in the beginning of January as well for $17 on Mercari. Okay, highest three. We've got these nylon shorts, the camo shorts. The brand was RBX. This was the only pair of shorts in this brand that came in this box. These sold within 3 weeks, $18 on Mercari. The Mississippi State shorts, these were a size XL, which I had a couple of these if I remember correctly. These sold in January for $19.99 on eBay. And the highest profiting pair of shorts out of this box were these Free People. They were the silver, they were sort of like Bermuda shorts with contrasting pockets. Those sold for $30 on eBay. So those are the 10 items that sold. A few items that are still listed in my closet. Number one, all the rest of the college shorts, they're all still listed, of course. Then the Free People shorts, we've got the hot mesh shorts, which actually look pretty cool, and they've got some interest, but haven't sold yet. The halfway shorts, the halfway up your rear shorts, the pink one, or the purple ones and the orange ones, I do still have. I did recently relist them, so hopefully those sell pretty soon. Those crazy pink high-waisted shorts that I didn't know what to do with or call them, those are still here as well. Then I have these Balance Collection shorts. Those are really cool too. Those have had some good interest, but again, no takers. And the skort, the Tay Verde skort. I know athletic skorts are kind of in right now, but that is still sitting here as well. So all total, again, cost of box, $81.30. Total profit as of right now, so far, $42.26. So I have not yet doubled my money. I have made my money back, and this was in the middle of winter. I sourced these shorts and attempted to sell them in the middle of winter. So I almost don't know if 90 days was fair on this box. When you source for the off season, yes, you're going to sell some of it, but you do have to anticipate it is going to sit for a little while until the season comes around again. If I were to stop the clock right now and just say, okay, that's it for this box, no, it wasn't a great box. I mean, I want to at least double my money on like liquidation stuff, especially because my cost of goods on these were so low. I would have liked to see more like triple. However, I do anticipate that there's still a lot of money to be made in this box. I just have to wait until spring and summer. So I'm hoping that pretty soon here, this stuff starts to take off as it should, especially this college wear. You've got a new round of college freshmen that are just now getting accepted into their colleges and prepping to go to college. So they'll be probably shopping for this kind of thing here in the spring. I will say it's kind of a slow seller, this college wear, but I'm not totally like writing it off as of yet. So would I buy this box again? Simply because I have so much left right now? The answer is no, but you know, I don't think it was a bad buy. I do think that there is still money to be made. I am still a firm believer in sourcing in the off season. I'm glad I bought this box. I think maybe I would consider another one if another one was offered next year, or if I sold all of these off in another 90 days, 120 days. If you're going to do something like this though, like I said, you do have to kind of be okay with this stuff sitting around for a while. So that's my assessment. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I would be definitely interested to hear if you had purchased a similar box from Jomar, or if you think this was worth me picking up. And if you're interested in anything that you saw that is still available, the links to my Poshmark closet, my Mercari, my eBay, everything is down below. Shoot me a message on Instagram. I'll be happy to work something out with you. But that's it for today's video, guys. Make sure you're subscribed. I am doing a bunch of 90-day updates coming up on all the boxes I opened in the fall. So certainly subscribe to my channel if you're interested in seeing that. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.